What's up guys, my name is Michael, welcome back to another video, and I have been using my iPad Pro more and more for gaming recently. I think people really underestimate how good the iPad is at gaming, and I don't even have the newest 2020 iPad Pro. I will soon, but this one is the older 2018 iPad Pro with one less GPU core, and it is still blow away performance when it comes to gaming. And I have it paired with two accessories I want to talk about in this video that really add to the gaming experience. So first, the Magic Keyboard. I can position this thing at any angle. I don't really use the trackpad or keyboard in terms of gaming. It just really helps the gaming experience in terms of setting it up at any angle you want. And the DualShock 4 wireless controller I'm using in this video, iPadOS will work with an Xbox controller as well, but using an external controller really adds that console-like feeling when you are playing games on a mobile device. So this may only be with my use case, but I find it extremely useful to be able to sit at my desk, and if I'm, say, waiting for a video to export or waiting for a video to upload, or I just have some free time to play a game, I like to play at my desk in my office chair. And sometimes when I'm playing, I like to recline, and I can bring the display all the way back at a really tight angle like that so I can see the display at a better angle. And then if I lean my chair up, the versatility of the Magic Keyboard makes it so I can go all the way this far back to a much better viewing angle if I move my chair. So this compares to, say, the Smart Keyboard that only offers two actual positions in terms of watching content. Here, the Magic Keyboard can be adjusted infinitely, and it just makes the experience that much better, especially when gaming. So setting up a wireless controller is super easy. I'll be demonstrating it with a PlayStation 4 DualShock 4, but I believe the process is identical for the Xbox controller. Of course, it's just going to look a little bit different. So I'll open up settings here, and then we'll go to Bluetooth. And all you have to do is press and hold the main power button of the controller along with the share button, and it should show up inside Bluetooth settings. So as you can see, DualShock 4 wireless controller, if I simply tap on it, it will be paired. So I don't know about the Xbox controllers, but my PlayStation controller turns into an orange-like amber color whenever it is connected to my iPad. And if you go into your widgets view, you can actually add the batteries widget to see the battery level of your controller. So I'll add batteries there. Tap on done, and as you can see, the battery level of my controller is 5%, so it's very low. I definitely have to charge it soon. Playing with a controller has gotten so popular that it even has its own section in the App Store. So popular games such as Minecraft, Call of Duty, Fortnite, and even NBA 2K have added controller support for the iPad. So using controllers with mobile gaming has actually gotten so popular, as you can see here. In a recent update to Call of Duty Mobile, they have changed the rules now where people who are using controllers are only going to be facing up against other people who are using controllers. So I think this is a good change, much needed, and it makes the community a lot more fair. And on the iPad Pro, you get access to graphics options that are actually higher than some of the consoles just because the processing power of this iPad is so high. So if we jump into settings, we can see just how high we can get the audio and graphics on this iPad Pro. I have graphics quality set to very high. I also have frame rate set to very high. And I have almost all of these settings turned on except for Ragdoll. Ragdoll has nothing to do with graphics, but anti-aliasing makes it look a lot better. The picture makes it look a lot sharper. Real-time shadows is definitely going to be harder on the GPU. Bloom and depth of field are a couple visual effects that are also going to take a toll on the GPU, and this iPad handles it like a champ. I don't want to risk any copyright content by playing any audio from a game, but I do want to point out that the speakers on this iPad Pro are absolutely fantastic for audio and better than pretty much any other mobile gaming experience you're going to get. So you have quad speakers, two speakers on either side of the iPad, makes for unbelievable surround sound when you're gaming. In all honesty, I think this is the future more than console gaming even is, and Apple thinks this too because they have come out with their complete own gaming service, Apple Arcade, which lives in the App Store right here. So Apple definitely believes in the future of mobile gaming, and I think adding controller support to that and all the recent enhancements Apple has been doing is really pushing towards that future. As more and more games get added to the App Store and more people start to use wireless controllers for mobile gaming, the community experience is only going to be getting better. If you found this video useful, I'd appreciate it if you dropped a like. I create tech videos like this, mainly related towards Apple, every week, so make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications if you want to see more tech videos like this. You can comment down below telling me what you thought. Thank you for watching. My name is Michael. I'll see you next time.